Welcome back to the vlogs, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful sunny day out here in Los Angeles, and first thing we gotta do is get breakfast because I am super hungry and I gotta feed my stomach. And one thing I didn't miss about LA is the traffic. We got a Raptor right there. Look at this, it's literally all red and yellow. Regardless of how bad the traffic is out here, I love being here. It's just so good for my mental health. The palm trees, the weather, the sun, it's just, I love being here, and I truly love making content here. I wish I could stay here all year round. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think my content is better here or back in Michigan? Good morning, my friend Diego.
How's it going?
What are we doing today?
Chilling. We're going up the canyons up in Malibu.
Well, remember, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat first.
All right, so we got our food. I got a BLT on a bagel. We got coleslaw. We got pickles. What'd you get?
I got the breakfast burrito with the cinnamon rice and bagel.
So we're gonna hit the road to Malibu and check out the view out there, and also see what the Gt500 could do around some turns. So let's turn her on. So the last time I went to the canyons, I took my Challenger Hellcat, my old green one, about 2 years ago. And let's just say it didn't do so well around those turns. That car is not made for turns and didn't really do much. You know, it did really good on the straightaways, but when it came to those turns, I had to drive really slow to make sure, you know, we don't fall off the mountain. So now we are back with the new Gt500. And I think this thing is gonna do just fine. Look at the view though, man. Look at this. This is literally from Grand Theft Auto, guys. I know you guys remember this. Look at that. This is how you enter PCH. Look at the view, man. Look at the water, the beach, the mountains. This is life right here, guys. This is life. Wow, wow, wow. Like, I'm just speechless at how beautiful this is. And this isn't my first time here, but every time I come here, I just get more motivated, and it just shows me that I got a lot of work to do. I want to be able to live here full time and have a house out here on my own. So we made a quick pit stop before we hit the canyons just to admire how beautiful this thing is, and then also to admire the view. Look at the water, the mountains, the houses. It is truly beautiful out here. But now we're gonna throw it to my GoPro and give you guys some POV of us driving the Shelby up the canyon. All right, guys, let's turn this thing on. So I think I'm gonna put it in track mode and see how it does. All right. Put it in reverse. It's very stiff when it's in track, like super stiff. Let's make sure there's no one here. Alright. Yeah, that was a lot of spinning. Sounds so good. First time taking a proper car up the canyons. Like I said, last time I was here, I took my Hellcat, and well, you guys all know that those cars aren't made for this type of roads. Man, it sounds so good. Let's hear some downshift. Oh boy. We still haven't even gotten into the crazy turns just yet. Yeah, these are still normal roads. We still gotta make it even higher. We got a straightaway here, quick pull. Let's do second gear. Oh my God, this thing is so fast. comment down below, what car would you bring to the canyons? So a $200,000 and less car, what would you go with to bring it here? I would either go with this or like a C7 ZR1. Oh my God, look what we got. Oh, this is what I wanted. Downshift, ready, ready, ready. Oh, that was a beautiful tunnel. One more downshift. Should we do one more? One more. These roads are beautiful. Woo! I'm so not used to having a car that can actually go around turns. Oh my God. Wow, you guys don't even know how big of a smile I have on my face right now. I think traction is also off, so I don't know if that's good to keep it off or keep it on. I'm not sure. Like I said, I don't really go around turns. I've had nothing but straight ahead cars. Alright, as soon as this car is out of our way, we're gonna step on it. Alright, buddy, time to get out of our way. So basically, the unwritten rule of the canyons is if there's someone behind you trying to go fast, all you gotta do is, you know, just move over to the side. Earlier on, you know, there's a BMW that moved to the side, but this guy doesn't seem like he cares to do that. Yeah, he's not gonna move out the way. Ooh, look at those turns. The DCT on this car is absolutely amazing. Like, wow. I had the 10-speed automatic in my Mustang GT 2 years ago, and that was an amazing transmission, but the DCT is a game changer. And I actually low-key slept on it. I didn't think it was that, you know, big of an improvement from the 10-speed. I mean, I'm over here tripping over my words. I think we're gonna have some open road here. Just gotta wait for those cars. And it's so hot out here. It's literally 89 degrees. Alrighty. Where the heck did all this traffic come from? Alright. Oh, we got a C63 right there. So much. We gotta put some 888s on here because these I think we got the Pilot Sport 4S's. They just don't do the job, honestly. Alright, let's do a quick pull here. Second gear. By the way, the car is spinning and it's still accelerating ridiculously. I'm surprised this big SUV is actually like doing just well up here. Like, he's actually taking these turns pretty fast. I love these roads, man. I wish I lived here. I'd literally be here every day. Look at the view. Holy moly. Oh, we gotta get away from these rocks. I'm just so surprised that the SUV is actually keeping up. Oh. And he's out of our way. The rocks over here are so annoying. Catch up to that C63 over there. It's a nice C63. Yeah, we got like a, I don't know, a garbage truck or something. god, this car is so fun. You gotta be careful because there's literally rocks right on the side of the road. And you know, if you hit one little rock, you could say goodbye to you and the car. I literally gave him the biggest head start. Oh my god, I'm gonna let this guy go. I don't want to catch up to him. Just because his tires are throwing so many rocks on my car that I'm gonna have rock chips and my windshield is gonna crack, so I'm just gonna let him go. I even got rocks down my side skirts. Look at that. Literally, it shoots out from the tires and it goes all the way through here. We literally gotta PPF this entire car, otherwise we're gonna destroy it. All right, we need water, and this looks very bougie, so I'm definitely getting it. All right, let's try this bougie water out. It tastes pretty good. I think this was like $5 bucks. So you could either get this or a gallon of gas in Los Angeles. Ooh, they heard somebody took their mask off. And now the car has to drink. $4.70. Not bad, not bad. Guys, I'm never ever gonna complain about Michigan gas prices after this. We're literally paying $4.70 for 91. They don't even have 93 here. They have 91. I don't mind paying a little extra because I get to see this view while I'm filling up.